it comes to Rahul Gandhi in this case, because right after Mamata Banerjee, Rahul has now attacked Kejriwal. And once, the kind of Congress party extended support to the Aam Aadmi Party, and the equations that has now changed, because after going, when it comes to Mamata Banerjee, it seems that Rahul Gandhi is now calling Kejriwal to be corrupt.
उन्होंने एक नए तरीके की राजनीति की बात की थी। खंबे पर चढ़ गए थे, याद है आपको? मैं राजनीति दूसरे तरीके से करूंगा, खंबे पे चढ़ गए थे, स्वेटर पहना था, वैगनार में आए और सीधे शीश महल के पार्किंग लॉट में चले गए। करोड़ों रुपए का घर, भ्रष्टाचार, पोल्यूशन, जो शीला जी ने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया था, सड़कें बनाई थी, पुल बनाए थे, फ्लाईओवर बनाए थे, विकास का काम किया था, उस सब को इन्होंने खत्म कर दिया है।
Well, let's connect with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, this is also coming at a time when Arvind Kejriwal himself has been camping in Bengal to actually, campaign for the TMC. But Rahul Gandhi mentioning Arvind Kejriwal, is this coming across as a surprise? Because as far as the Delhi equation is concerned, that is very different, very different even when it comes to the state of Punjab.
Well, Amita, firstly, I would like to mention that this video is from the time when there were Delhi Assembly elections going on, and during the campaigning, this was the very sharp attack which was being made by the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi upon Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. At that point in time, also he had basically mentioned that how Mr. Arvind Kejriwal used to make tall claims about corruption-free Delhi, and used to had made a lot of allegation against the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Ms. Sheila Dikshit, and for that reason, this kind of a statement was being made by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, saying that he came to Delhi and he used to say that I'll only use the Wagoner, and I'm not going to take any kind of a security from the central government. But all of these tall claims get failed in the future, because he also made a Sheesh Mahal. He had also taken the security from the central government. So that was the only reason why Rahul Gandhi had stated that this is the corruption which is being done by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and these were all the false promises which he had made to the people of this. But in the past also, given this kind of a message to the country, to Delhi itself, that the real intention of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is to do corruption, and that is the only reason why he had come to join the politics. On the other side, it has also raised the questions upon the unity of the India bloc, because Rahul Gandhi is the one who has been continuously attacking Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, and now Arvind Kejriwal as well. Because if we talk about the state leadership,
a confusion as far as the Congress party is concerned, because it wants to be one of the main contenders in Bengal. But however, going after Arvind Kejriwal, well, that seems to be a bit of a point of a confusion there that is now lying as far as the opposition unity is something which is now being mocked by their own allies. But let's talk about the BJP here in question.